So, have you ever wondered why your PS4 controller dies too soon or doesn't hold a charge? That probably either means you have a faulty battery or your battery is just too old. So for this particular video, I am going to show you how to change your battery on your PS4 controller. So let us begin, shall we? Alright, so this is what you're going to need to replace your battery on your PS4 controller. Obviously you need your PS4 controller, then you're going to need your spare battery, then you're going to need your star-headed screwdriver, a flathead, and a little plier so that way you could pry this off once you get the screws from the back out. So first, what you're going to do, turn this around, and do you see those 4 screws? See the 4 screws right here, 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 and right there. What you're going to do is you're going to take those out, and then you're going to pry off the back shell of the PlayStation 4 controller gently. Alright, now that I got the 4 screws off, which they're right there, now it's time to pry this sucker open. Alright, I got it open. Now, go ahead, gently put it on the side like that. And this is what we want to take out right here, which is the old battery. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So you see this cable right here? This is what we have to remove first. So we're going to go ahead and remove this and then take this sucker out and then put this new battery in. So let's go ahead and do that. There. You're going to gently take that out. As you can see here, it is taken out fully. And now it's time to put the new battery in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and push this in right here. It is pushed in. Going to lay this here. Kind of want to put the wires right there. There's like a little hook right there for you to put the wires. So you're just gonna go ahead and put that in there. And yeah, now it's time to put this back in. Alright. All set. Pushed back in. Now it's time to put on the screws. There. All 4 screws are screwed in. Everything looks good. Well, except for the analog stick right there, but that's for another video. And yeah, now let's try it out. Alright, I have it plugged in. Now for the moment of truth. Voila, there you go. It works. So yeah, that's how you change your battery on your PS4 controller. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Now, if I missed something or if you want to leave any feedback, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly content. And as always, thank you for watching.